This is an easy tutorial how you can make your own DIY word ephemera. This is video 2 in my series of the mini books that I'm making for my daughter's wedding. So one of the pieces and parts that I wanted was I like words on everything. So I made my own. So I just printed out some words, and this is a old Tim McGraw song. If you don't know it, then we probably can't be friends. But anyway, it's perfect for a wedding. So I just used this little quote and I put it in a design program and printed it out. And then I didn't want to cut out each word individually because I thought it would look kind of cool if you did like a brick style. And then I used a pen and outlined the words just because it gives it a little extra, and I'm a little extra. So outlined it, and then of course I distressed the edges of it, and then I will show you what I'm going to do with all of these little pieces later. That's for a different video, but here's a quick little tutorial on how to make these little word ephemera pieces. And of course, if you're invested in my daughter's wedding favors to see how they came out, subscribe and stay tuned for more.